2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, remote engine start, backup camera, power sunroof, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel drive, floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.